Hello, this is Oliver from Wallpad. Now let's see how we set this dimmer switch with the controller, remote controller. Yes, for this one you just press this button, for example this up lighter button for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep pressing. Then you will hear one sound, D, and now you press this controller button and this learning is finished. Yes.
听到滴的一声，好，按 A， 啊，这样的话，我们先把它调暗，然后再按 A， 这样已经对起来了，好，然后这边是轻码。
Yes, now let's see how we cancel this. We press this button 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep your finger on the button for a few seconds. Soon you will hear D and later DD and later DDDD 4 times. After you hear DDDD, then this has been successfully cancelled. Yes. So if there's any more questions or anywhere unclear, please feel free to contact us. Yes, thank you.
声第4声啊，这样的话是先把它调暗啊，然后按这个遥控器的话，这个已经轻码清掉了，所以是对不起来的啊。好的。